Fag Korrex 2000. This is the name of probably the best flat offset-proof press in the world. Decades of experience and a combination of Swiss and German precision engineering have made it possible. These are the highlights of this ultra-modern proof press. The heavyweight, strongly ribbed machine bed, cast in one single piece, a structural guarantee for a long service life. The solid cylinder carriage sidewalls, all solid cast from one single piece. Four-fold precise oscillating ink distribution in the traveling and in the stationary inking unit. Or the modern electronic microprocessor unit with maximum safety for the printer. The plate foundation consisting of corrosion-resistant aluminium alloy with integrated rust-proof stainless steel cooling coil with automatic thermostat control. The printing bed with precisely polished surface, fully adjustable to 10 millimeters. The dampening unit is also exemplary, with one stationary and one traveling unit. With an Anilox roller to allow optimum, fully adjustable metering of the dampening solution. The great new feature is the inking unit, generously sized with four-fold oscillating distribution together with one-way and double inking. This all guarantees optimum inking, even for the most difficult screen surfaces. Changing the inking rollers, like the handling of the entire machine, is child's play. To change the three inking rollers, the inking system is raised electrically by pressing a button. The three distribution rollers are locked by two slides, and the inking unit is lowered again electrically. By slackening two knurled bolts, the three inking rollers can be pulled out and conveniently removed and changed. The known plus ultra of the Fag Korrex 2000 is the ultra-modern electronic ink control system with replaceable ink boxes. Time-consuming, costly ink changes using ink spatulas is finally a thing of the past. The electronic ink control system automatically monitors precise ink feed in individual ink zones for each sheet. Connected in a closed loop with the scanning densitometer, the printing cycles are no longer interrupted for measurement. The result? Fully reproducible prints, outstanding speed, absolutely uniform quality. Of course, the very latest accessories are also available for the Fag Korrex 2000. Register punch, roller carriages, dampening roller washing system, and many more besides. If in future you want to aim for maximum profitability, precision, convenience, and top quality, then Fag Korrex 2000 is your concept for success.